Once again, good morning, students, and I hope you all are fine at your home. So, dear students, in previous plate we have talked about statements, questions, and exclamations. All right. Now, today we are going to talk about statements. So, dear statements, and we are going to talk about positive and negative sentences. So, please open page number 13 of your English textbook. We are going to talk about the march of the animals poem, learning grammar, page number 13. Okay, so have you opened? Great. Now let's see here on page number 13. Question number B, statements may be positive or negative. Yes, dear students, स्टेटमेंट्स मे बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. हम जो भी वाक्य बोलते हैं या कहते हैं या लिखते हैं वो एक तो पॉजिटिव होगा, हो सकता है, या नेगेटिव हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, पॉजिटिव, द चिल्ड्रन आर नाउ इन क्लास 5. ओके, सो व्हाट इज पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट? The statement where no negative word is used is called positive statements. जिस वाक्य में कोई भी नकारार्थक नो, नथिंग, नेवर, डिडंट, डजंट, डोंट, इजंट, आरंट, कांट, इस प्रकार के नेगेटिव वर्ड्स नहीं होते, उनको वी कॉल पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, एंड देन नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स. व्हाट इज नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स? द सेंटेंसेस इन विच नेगेटिव वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड, दे आर कॉल्ड नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके, मतलब जिन वाक्यों में नकारार्थी शब्दों का प्रयोग किया जाता है उनको हम नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस कहते हैं. ओके, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते वक्त, ओके, नेगेटिव स्टेटमेंट्स बनाते वक्त वी हैव टू बी वेरी मच केयरफुल. वी हैव टू यूज नॉट. वी हैव टू यूज NOT not after the verb. Okay, now let's see here one example is there. Negative statement, they aren't in class 4. Okay, they are in class 4 is a positive sentence. They aren't in class 4 is a negative statement. Okay, there are certain rules about making negative. Okay, the subject must agree with the verb. Okay, agar if the subject is singular, the verb is also singular. If the subject is plural, the verb is also plural. Okay, so if in the sentence I am a boy, so I am not a boy. Okay, she is my friend, she isn't my friend. Okay, so in this way we have to make negative. Now let's do this exercise. Let's understand and do this exercise into our notebook also. Read the following statements. Write P for positive sentences and N for negative sentences. So actually here are two activities are given separately, but we are going to do both the activities at once. Okay, first what we have to do here, we have to identify the statement whether it is a positive statement or negative. Okay, let's see. So one is already given for us. The train stops here for a long time. Here no negative word is used. No, not, doesn't, isn't, aren't, no such word is there, and that's why this statement is positive. So we have mentioned here P for positive. Now second, a cuckoo doesn't build a nest. Doesn't, dear students, doesn't, it is a negative word because not is used. Okay, so it is negative statement. Okay, after that number 3, it hasn't stopped raining. It hasn't stopped raining. Again hasn't is the negative, and that's why it is negative. Okay, so yani here. Okay, then number 4, the students are going for a picnic. Okay, the students are going for a picnic. No negative word is used, so it is positive statement. Number 5, they aren't taking lunch boxes with them. What type of sentence it is? Yes, they aren't, negative word, so negative statement. Okay, so dear students, now I hope you can easily identify what is positive statement and what is negative statement. Okay, so you can easily able to identify the which statement is positive and which one is negative. All right, now what we have to do here, now rewrite the positive sentences given above as negative sentences and the negative sentences as positive sentences in your notebook. अब हमें क्या करना है, ये जो ऊपर दिए गए पांचों सेंटेंस है, अब हमें पता चल गया है कि विच वन आर पॉजिटिव एंड विच वन इज नेगेटिव. नाउ इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज पॉजिटिव, सो वी हैव टू मेक कन्वर्ट इट इनटू नेगेटिव, एंड इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज negative, so we have to convert it in positive. Okay, all right, so first one is already done for us. So the train stops here for a long time, it is a positive statement, so we have to convert it into negative. Let's see here how it converts into negative. The train doesn't stop here for a long time. Okay, the train doesn't stop here for a long time. It is an example of simple present tense, and in simple present tense there is a rule. Okay, कि if the third person singular noun or pronoun is used, so while making negative we have to use does. Okay, does plus not, and we have to remove yes, es or ies from the वर्ब. हियर स्टॉप में देखिए आप यस लगा हुआ है, आफ्टर डजंट का यूज़ करने के बाद में हमने स्टॉप में से यस रिमूव कर दिया है. सो आवर आंसर इज द ट्रेन डजंट स्टॉप हियर फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ऑलराइट, नाउ इन द सेम वे वी हैव टू डू फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द 4 sentences. Okay, so I have already made one worksheet. Okay, so I am going to explain you with that answer sheet. Okay, so now let's see our another second example was a cuckoo doesn't build a nest. A cuckoo doesn't build a nest. As we know, it is already a negative statement. Now we have to convert it into positive. So we have to remove doesn't. Okay, and this, a cuckoo builds a nest. So it is again one example of simple present tense. A cuckoo builds a nest. Okay, in simple present tense with the third person singular noun or pronoun we use yes, es or ies with the main verb. So हमने यहाँ पे doesn't जब रिमूव हो जाएगा तो यहाँ पर इस doesn't का yes ऑटोमेटिक इस वर्ब में आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ नंबर 3, it hasn't stopped raining. It hasn't stopped raining. Okay, so it's a negative statement. Now we have to make it, so it has stopped raining. It hasn't stopped raining, so its negative will be hasn't. रिमूव करना है. This is the example of simple present perfect tense. It has stopped raining, यहाँ से not रिमूव कर दिए. It has stopped raining. Okay, then the students are going for a picnic. The students are going for a picnic. There is rule, we have to am, is, are, was, were. इन वर्ब्स के बाद में हमें नॉट लगाने से वो स्टेटमेंट नेगेटिव बन जाएगा. ओके, द स्टूडेंट्स आरंट गोइंग फॉर अ पिकनिक. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी कैन यूज or we can make positive statement into negative and negative statement into positive. So dear students, you have to watch this video, listen it carefully, learn it carefully, and do this activity into your notebook. Okay, in the same way you have to do this 5 also. They aren't taking lunch boxes with them, so we have to aren't will be are. They are taking lunch boxes with them. Sorry, them is not printed. Them and full stop. Okay, now let's move to the next exercise. ask a question to know or learn more about something or someone. Okay, हमें किसी के बारे में कुछ पूछना होता है तब हम प्रश्न करते हैं, क्वेश्चन. ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू हियर, rearrange these words to form questions in your notebook. Again, this activity we have to do in our notebook. Here are the rejumbled words and we have to make its correct question. Okay, हमें इसका क्वेश्चन बनाना है. And another activity is given कि after making rearranging, okay, we have to do it in our notebook. Okay, so ready? So see, you do have sister a, we have, this is resembled. अब इसे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो हमें इसे प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में लगाना पड़ेगा. द सेंटेंस का प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस इज दैट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू टेक, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन बनाना है तो हम क्वेश्चन हमेशा वर्ब से शुरू होता है. ओके, वी हैव टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन, WH क्वेश्चन एंड वर्बल क्वेश्चन. एंड हियर we are not going to make any WH question here. All question will be of verbal question. Okay, so verb. So what is verb here? Do. Okay, so do you have a sister? क्या आपको बहन है? So I have already made this sheet, okay, with answers. So let's see this sheet. Let's go through this sheet. Okay, okay, so the first question we will get, do you have a sister, question mark, first letter capital. Okay, number second, sun is the use fire of ball a. So what is the verb here? Is. Okay, so is the sun a huge ball of fire? इस प्रकार का प्रश्न हमें मिलेगा. ओके, इज द सन अ ह्यूज बॉल ऑफ फायर? ओके, सो दिस इज द अनदर क्वेश्चन. देन थर्ड वी हैव मोस्ट कैन बर्ड्स फ्लाई. सो द वर्ब इज कैन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वर्ब. वर्बल क्वेश्चंस बनाते वक्त हमें सब वर्ब लेना है और उसके बाद में सब्जेक्ट को यूज करना है. ओके, लेट्स सी. Can is the verb, so can most birds fly? Can most birds fly? Question mark. Number 4, you are in studying 4th class. So we have to make its question. So are you studying in class 4? Are you studying in class 4? Okay. Then number 5, we have the words elephant, does have trunk long. So what is the verb here? Does. Yes. Does the elephant have a long trunk? Yes, we have got the question. Does the elephant have a long trunk? I don't know, but yes, I have got the question. So in this way, dear students, we have to first rearrange these statements, these words, and we have to make it question. Okay, and we have to write down it into our notebook. All right. Okay. Now let's see the another. Now whatever questions we have made, we have to give their answers in yes or no, in positive way or negative. Let's see the exercise from page number 14. Question number D. Now answer the questions you just formed in your notebook. Your answers will be positive or negative statements. Use the short forms isn't, aren't, can't, hasn't, haven't, don't, and doesn't if your answers are negative sentences. So dear students, we are going to write both statements, means both answers, negative and positive as well. Okay, so first question was our, do you have a sister? इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज पॉजिटिव, आंसर अगर पॉजिटिव है तो हम आंसर क्या लिखेंगे? पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट, यस आई डू. If the answer is negative, no, I don't. Okay. Second, is the sun a huge ball of fire? It's a question. If the statement is positive, so answer will be yes, it is. If the statement is negative, then we have to write down no, it isn't. Okay. So we are using both positive statements, positive answers and negative answers. Can most birds fly? इफ द आंसर इज पॉजिटिव, यस दे कैन, यहाँ पे दे कहाँ से आया, वर्ड से, प्लूरल है, ओके। सो फॉर प्लूरल वी हैव टू यूज दे दिस प्रोनाउन। सो यस दे कैन, नेगेटिव नो दे कांट। आर यू स्टडिंग इन क्लास 4? Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Yes, we are. No, we aren't. Negative statement. Does the elephant have a long trunk? Yes, it has. Okay. अगर डज आता है क्वेश्चन में और वो पोजीशन शो करता है तो पोजीशन शो करने के लिए हमें हैज़ का यूज कर सकते हैं, हैज़ और हैव का, ओके। सो ये थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है एंड दैट्स वाई वी हैव यूज हैज़, ओके। अगर यहाँ पर आई रहता या वी रहता, प्लूरल रहते तो यहाँ पर हैव आता, ओके। सो पॉजिटिव, यस इट हैज़, नो इट हैजंट। So dear students, in this way we have to make positive statements and negative statements. Also we can make questions, and if we want to give answer of positive statements and negative statements, or if our answers are in positive or our answer is in negative, then what type of answer should be given? It is in this period, in this video we have tried to clear. I hope you have understood it well. Learn and read well and try to write down it into your notebook. Thank you and have a good day.